Stay cool. Come Master Pool.
Come as the pool.
Why did you guys decided to renovate? What happened that made you guys decided to renovate?
Okay, we've been having a problem with the leaks for the past 4 years, and we have multiple company come in and tell us yes they have solved the problem, they have found the leaks, they have solved the problem. Each one charging us, thousand and thousand of dollars or hundred of dollars, and nothing has been done until we have found that last person who had referred us to you, okay? And you came right up front, you told us what was going on, and you gave us a price that was affordable. So we go ahead and we had trusted you, and so far, okay, the work has been done, it's halfway done, and we are very happy because we see results.
So yeah, this is what I always like to say. Whenever we come in to solve a problem. We always focus on quality, efficiency, and transparency. I told you, look, if you guys want to get it fixed, this is what you want to do. And once it gets complete, you'll be calling me to have barbecue and swim.
That is right. And what I appreciate is like whenever I call you, I'm very anxious, and I call you every step of the way, and I say, oh, why is this happening, Victor? Oh, calm down. That's the way it's supposed to be. Remember, we have discussed this, and you always calm me down, and you always reassured me. So I appreciate that.
Yeah, it's very good because since I understand a lot about the process, I know that you're going to have some questions. So when you call me, I'm like, all right, this is going to be the question of the day. But don't worry, anytime you need to call me, I'm here. This is my job. This is what I like doing.
So far, I'm very happy, and I have no doubt in my mind. My pool gonna be the best looking pool in the neighborhood after you finish the job.
Thank you, Mrs. Zerna. I appreciate it.
Stay cool.
Come Master Pool.
Come as the pool.
Thank you. That's very helpful. This is very good for us.
Well, you did good job. You did a good job. I am very, very happy, and I appreciate your professionalism. You're very professional.
Oh, thank you.
And it's because you are. You know reason why you look so professional, because you're honest. You don't have anything to hide.
Yeah, I'm right. Transparency is one of the things that we focus the more.
And one thing that I told my husband, because I'm always watching you guys to the window, I said, look at them, they all here. All four of them are all here at once. See how much they are concerned that the job is done right.
Even on the rain we were working.